This is the expanded video that explains the alert predicted late opportunities and how to navigate to it. An opportunity is predicted to be late and is included in this report when the closing date predicted in the run optimization simulation is later than the target closing date. Normally, you would review this report by starting with the workflow navigation or selecting this report after you enter or edit data in the time log template, or selecting this report after the run optimization simulation. I will start with an overview of the alert predicted late opportunities, and then we'll walk through the navigation. The alert predicted late opportunities displays first, and we can see this chart, the predicted number of days to close opportunities from the date of this report. In Table 1, opportunities which are not yet late but are predicted to be late, and in Table 2, opportunities which are already late. This information gives you a clear illustration of how many and which opportunities are predicted to be late and by how many days. I'll scroll up to the top, and I'll click on the Workflow tab to start the navigation process. This navigation is the same as used by your internet browsers. For a shorter version of this tutorial, with only minimal explanations, select the Quick Start Alert Predicted Late Opportunities video. The default method is to hide all information approaches on the screen by starting with No in the Select Messages field. You'll see this choice on all Time to Money workflow screens. At any time, you can display all information messages, including the discussion of how to navigate through a workflow, by selecting Yes. First, select from the pull-down menu the workflow which you wish to activate. All reports and alerts are found in the Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports choices. So that is what we'll choose. We'll just scroll down. And a description of your selected workflow is displayed below the selection so that you can be sure that this is your desired workflow. If this is not your desired workflow, then simply select another workflow from the pull-down menu. And confirm that this is your desired workflow by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Workflow. And Time to Money displays your selected workflow home screen. Now we'll scroll down. And next we select the individual report you want to view by selecting a single choice from the pull-down menu. And for this demo, I'm going to select Alert Predicted Late Opportunities Report. And again, we confirm that this is your desired report, selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. And Time to Money displays the selected report in a new tab. You can see here. You can get a PDF copy of this report here, clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can log out from Time to Money when you have completed your session by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. And after reviewing this report, if you wish to continue this session, you can scroll up to the new tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. In this demo, you would be returned to the Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports workflow, where you can select another report to view. There are 3 sections in this alert that display alert results at the opportunities level. The first one is this chart, the predicted days to close opportunities, and it identifies each of the opportunities that are still active or in fact have been won, identifies, and we can see here, the number of days predicted to close each active opportunity from the report date, and these are sorted in ascending order of the number of days. The opportunities predicted to close soonest are closest to the vertical axis. And now we'll just scroll down to the first table. In the header in this defines the number of days an opportunity must be late to trigger inclusion in this report. We see that here. It displays the number of opportunities that are predicted to be late by at least this number of days, and we see that here, and displays a confirmation message in the event that no opportunities fit this criteria for this simulation, but in this particular case, there is no confirmation, because there is, in fact, an opportunity that fits the requirements. We talk about the information here from the different columns. It's the record creation time, which is the time this opportunity was entered in the opportunity database, the name of the client, name of the opportunity total revenue, the current stage this opportunity is at within the ideal sales cycle, the target date to close this opportunity, and the predicted close date. Then the predicted number of days that the predicted close date will be later than the target close date, and finally the predicted number of days from the target close date to the current date. Now let's scroll down to the second table. And again, when we look at the header, it defines the number of days an opportunity must already be late to trigger inclusion in this report, and displays the number of opportunities that are already late by at least this number of days, and would display a confirmation message in the event that no opportunities fit this criteria for the simulation. So let's look at the headings and the actual column headings here. And again, it repeats the column headings from Table 1 from the record creation time right through to the predicted days late. The last column is slightly different. It's the predicted number of days from the target close date to the current date for opportunities that are already late. Scroll back up to the top. And this completes the description of the results, charts, and tables of this report. It also completes the expanded video that explains the alert, predicted late opportunities, and how to navigate to it.